Do you want to make invitation on Microsoft Word? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: make invitation on Microsoft Word. Open a blank Word document, click on the Layout tab, click on the drop-down menu for Size, select a preferable size. Now you can create some graphics for your invitation card that will appear behind the text. You can select an image from your PC or browse on the internet to find a suitable one depending upon the invitation you are making. You can search for some royalty-free images from the net like from Unsplash or Pixabay. Download the image, then save it on your desktop. You can either drag and drop the image to your Word page where you are creating the invitation, or you can click on the Insert tab, then select Picture, then browse to the image location. Select the image and then click on Insert. Select the image, then click on Picture Format. Click on the Wrap Text icon and expand the drop-down menu. Select In Front of Text, then you will be able to rotate the picture as you want. You can also stretch the corners of the picture to resize it. Once you have set it to a preferred size, click on Picture Format and then select Align. Then Align to Center option. Next, to insert text, select the Insert tab. Click on the drop-down menu for Shapes. Select Square or any other shape you want. Then click and drag the shape on the image where you want to insert the text. Select the shape, go to the Shape Format option. Select Shape Outline. If you do not want any outline, then select No Outline. If you want to keep the center white, then click on the drop-down for Fill and fill in with white color. To make it appear in the center, select the shape, go to the Shape Format, then select Align and choose the Align to Center option. Now to insert some text, go to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Click and drag the text box on the picture. The text boxes usually come with a white background and black border. If you want to deselect both, select the text box, then go to Shape Format. Click on Shape Outline. Select No Outline. Then select Shape Fill. From the drop-down, select No Fill. Enter your desired text. To customize the text, go to the Home tab. Select the desired font for the text. Choose color, style, adjust the size. Once you are happy with the text, align it to center or left or right as you want. Make sure you have adjusted the space between each character uniformly. You can make the text bold if you want. Once you are satisfied with the invitation card, now it's time to print it. First, save the card. To do so, click on File, then Save or Save As. Choose a location for the card for your convenience and also the format. You can choose PDF, then select Best for printing. And there you have it, the method to make invitation on Microsoft Word. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.